Hi children, today we are going to learn 6th class first chapter knowing our numbers. In that exercise number 4 and also exercise number 5. These two exercises I am going to cover in this video. In my previous video, I have already explained about Indian number system and also international number system. How to write the numbers in Indian system and also in international system, how to use the commas in Indian system and also in the international system, and how to read the numbers in Indian system and international system. The difference between the Indian system and international system I have already explained in my previous video. So this exercise number 1.4 completely based on international number system. How to use the commas in international number system and how to read the numbers in the international number system, that we are going to be learn in this exercise number 1.4. In the 1.3 we have learned about only Indian number systems, how to read the numbers and how to use the commas in Indian number system, that we have learned in exercise number 1.3. So let us start our class. This is the first bit. Already written a questions here. First bit, there are 3 questions are there on the board. We have to use the commas according to the international number system. So how to use the commas in international number system? After every 3 digits, right from the right side. After every 3 digits, we use the commas. Starting from the right side, always we have to count 3 digits from the right side. Then we have to use the comma. So let us use the commas here. First let us write the same number here. 9, 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 1, 5. So let us use the commas in international number system. After every 3 digits, we have to use the comma. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. In this way we can finish. So this is the way of putting a commas in international number system. In Indian system, first 3 digits, after that every 2 digits we use the commas. So I hope you understand now. So let's go for second one. Let us write this 2, 0, 0, 4, 8, 4, 2, 1. So let us use the commas after every 3 digits. Use the comma here. So no, here after every 3 digits we have to use. See, 1, 2, 3, and after we have to count 1, 2, 3. Yes, here we have to use it comma. Then we go for the third one. Actually, there are 4 questions in the first bit. I have written only 3 here. The remaining one, you do it. Then, here first 3 digits, and after 3 digits, then after 3 digits. So, in this way, we can use the commas in international number system. So, here, what is the second question? Here, the second question is, collect the 4 numbers. Yes. Collect the mobile numbers of your friends and other family members. Write them using commas and read them in the international system. Simple. Collect the 4 numbers of your mother or father or your neighbors or from familiar persons. Write down the numbers in your notes and also use the commas by using international system, and also try to read them. Read them in the sense, write in that numbers you write in the words in international system. So the third bit also same related to this. Here, write the numbers in the words both in Indian and also in international system. So there are 2 internal questions. Here I have written the third bit. Write the numbers in the words first in Indian system and also in international system. So how to write in the Indian system and international system, I will tell you here. So let's go for the solutions here. Okay, without using commas we cannot read the number. Normally we go for Indian system to read the number, but after putting commas only we will come to know how to read the numbers. So first we will go for the Indian system. Indian number system. Or Indian system. So let us write the number what? 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 0, 2, 7. First 3 digits, after every 2 digits after you get a comma. Here you see ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 10 crore. That means 12 crores, 31 lakhs, 15,000, 27. This is the way we can write in the words. Let me write in the words first. What? 12 crores. Sorry, 12 crores. 12 crore. 31 lakhs, 15 thousands, 27. 27. This is in Indian system. Let us also write in the international system. This is in the Indian system. Let us write the heading now. International system. In international system, how to write number? First you write 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 5, 0, 2, 7. After every 3 digits, you let's count. Simple. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 millions, 100 millions. In the sense, 123 millions, 115,027. That is what we are going to be writing here. Okay, or not? Go here. 123 millions, 115 thousands, 27. These three 123 millions, 115 thousands, 27. This already I have said you how to read these numbers. So here let's go for here once. First Indian system. We go for first Indian system. First we write this number as it is here. 8, 9, 6, 4, 3, 0, 9, 2. The same number we have. Let us use the commas in Indian system once. First 3 digits, then after every 2 digits we use the comma. Let us try to read now. We don't know how to read. Let's count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores, 8 crores, 93 lakhs, 96 lakhs, 43,092. The same thing we need to write in the words. Okay, let me write that 8 crores, 96 lakhs, 92. This is in the Indian system. Let's go for international system. International international system. First, let us write the number as it is here. 8, 9, 6, 4, 3, 0, 9, 2. 8, 9, 6, 4, 3, 0, 9. Yes. After every 3 days, we use the commas. Simple. 89 millions, 643,092. Yes. 89 millions, 89 millions, 64, 606, 100, then 640, 643 thousands, 643,092. In this way we can write the numbers in Indian system and also in international system. 89 millions, 643,092. So in this way we can complete this. So next we have fourth bit. So the fourth bit also very easy, based on the same on the international number system. So write some more numbers, like you take some daily using numbers, daily from your daily life you across many numbers. No, you write those numbers and use the commas in Indian system and international system. Try to write those numbers in the words. Collect some numbers and try to write that numbers in Indian system and also international system in words. Okay, then we go for fourth question, and this is the last question of this exercise. So read the number carefully, answer the following. Let's read the number here carefully. What is given? See, according to the putting commas here, according to the commas we can say that, and we have to read this in the international number system. This must be read in the international number system because the commas is used in the international number system only. So simple. 302 millions, 179,468. So to understand here, let's you go for ones. It is in the tens, it is in the hundreds, this 9 in thousands, here 7 is in the 10,000, here 1 is 100,000, 2 is a million, here 0 is 10 millions, and 3 is 100 millions. So if you write like this, you can answer here some of the questions they asked here. The first question is the digit at millions place. The digit in the millions place. The digit which digit there is the million place. Here 2. The digit 2 in the millions place. Digit 0 in 10 millions place. The digit 3 in 100 millions place. But he asked clearly the digit at million place is, that is 2. Next question. The digit at hundreds place. Hundreds place the digit is ones, tens, 100. 100 place digit is 4. If you write like this, it is very easy to answer. The digit in 10 millions place. 10 millions place the digit is 0. Yes. The fourth one. How many millions are there in the number? How many millions are there completely? 302 millions. 302 millions are present in the given number. So this is what exercise number 1.4, and we have exercise number 1.5. So with this we can complete our chapter also. So exercise number 1.5. There are word problems in this exercise number 1.5. There are only 9 problems are there. Let us try to solve them. Very easy problems. You can able to do it. The number of people who visited during the Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, 14,181, 14,235 and 10,578. Find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Simple. The Commonwealth Games are conducted in the New Delhi. So normally people will come to visit the games. So the first 4 days they are recorded that how many people are came to watch the games, to see the games. So the first 4 days they are recorded like this. Okay. Then I'll write here. You write in the verse the number of people who visited in the first day. Number of people who visited first day equal to how many number of people are visited in the first day here? 15,290. And second, the number of people who visited second day. How many people are visited in the second day? 14,181. Then the number of people who visited on third day. The third day is also a 14,235. The fourth day, the number of people who visited fourth day to watch the Commonwealth Games is only at 10,578. So what we need to find out the total number of people who visited, the total number of people who visited in these 4 days. Therefore, total number of people who visited in 4 days is equal to, simple, you need to add this all, you get it. See, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 8, 14, here 1 time. That is count again. 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 7, 27 plus 1, 28, here 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So, here 1 time. 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, here 1 time. 1, 1, 1, 1. Total 4 plus 1, 5. So, use the gamma here. 54,284 people are visited in 4 days to watch Commonwealth Games which were conducted in the New Delhi. So, this is the answer now. So, here next there is a second question. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes and defeated candidate got 3,52,768. By how many votes did winner win election? So, during the election, Lok Sabha elections, 2 candidates are participated in the election. In that, the person who got elected who won the election, he got 5 lakhs. He got 5 lakhs 87,500 votes, and defeated the other candidate who got only 3 lakhs 52,768 votes. So, by how many votes the first winner won the election? This was very simple. We need to subtract it. Okay, let us go for subtraction. The number of votes got by winner, total number of votes, the number of, here we can write here, the number of votes got by elected candidate or selected candidate here, elected candidate. Here how many votes you got? 5 lakhs 87,500 votes you got. So here the number of votes got by defeated in the sense the other person who is against to him, who stand against to him, he got 3 lakhs 52,768. This person, the first person got elected, is selected, he won the election. He got 5 lakhs 87,500. The person who get more votes, he will be winner. So he got 5 lakhs 87,500 votes. So he is selected. The next candidate who is opposite to him, he got defeated candidate, he got only 3,52,768. By how many votes the first winner won the election? That is what we need to find out. By subtracting we get this. By how many? See, from 0 we cannot subtract 80. So we will borrow from here. This become 4, become a 5, become a 4, and this 0 become 9, and it will be 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 4 minus 7 is not possible. So we will bring from this. Here 7 becomes 6. We will borrow one thing here. It become a 14. Okay, 14 minus 7 is 7, comma. Here there will be 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3, comma. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So, by how many votes the elected person won the election? By 2 lakhs 34,732 votes. The elected candidate won by the majority. He got 2 lakhs 34,732. By these many votes, he won the election. Okay. Now we go for third question. Very simple questions: additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. This is what they have given in this exercise. Only if you know the basic arithmetical operations, plus, minus, into, division, you can able to do this exercise. So the third one, write the greatest and smallest 5-digit numbers to form by using digits 5, 3, 4, 0, 7 and find their difference. So simple. The given digits are here. Already once we have solved this problem in the exercise number 1. See, the given digits are what are the given digits are given? See, 5, 3, 4, 0, 7. So what we need to do it here, how many digits are given? 5 digits are given. We need to, by using these 5 digits, we have to write a greatest number and one smallest number. By using only these digits, We have to write the greatest number and smallest number. Not only that, we need to find the difference of them. Difference in the sense subtraction. What is the difference between the greatest number and smallest number formed by these 5 digits? So, the greatest number here, let us write. Greatest number. The greatest number is, what is the greatest number? As I told you in the before, if you want to write the greatest number, select the greatest digit here. You come in the descending order. Next, after 7, there is a 5 is the greatest. After 5, there is a 4. 4 after there is a 3. 3 after there is a 0. This is the greatest number we can form by using these 5 digits. Now we go for smallest number. The smallest number we can make by using these digits. Smallest number in the sense we have to go in the ascending order. But there is the 0 is present. 0 should not write first. 0 should come in the second place. Then 0 after there will be 3 here. First 3 you should write here. But should not write like 0, 3, 4, 5, 7. Should not write like this. It become a 4-digit number only. It is not become a 5-digit number because this 0 is not valid. So what we need to do it to make a 5-digit number, clearly said that using by these 5 digits make a greatest number and smallest number. So 5 digits we need to use it. So 0 should not come in the first itself because it will be not valid. So 0 will take in the second one. So 0 before there is the smallest number 3. Thereafter you go for 4. Then after 4 after 5 is the greater number. Then 7. Simple. To form a greatest number, use the descending order. Take the digits in the descending order, it will become a greatest number. By using to form a smallest number, use the digits in the ascending order. From smaller number to bigger number you write. Smaller number to bigger number. But if at all you remember, if there is a 0, that 0 should come in the second place. After the 0, whatever the smaller digit that we need to write in the first place. For greatest number, need not to look for anything. Write the given digits in the descending order from bigger number to smaller number. To make a smaller number, smallest number, we have to go for ascending order from smallest number to biggest number. So what we need to find out? The difference between them. Also find out the difference of this number. What is the difference then? The difference is, let us subtract. What is the difference? Here from 0 we cannot subtract 7. So we will borrow one thing from here. This 3 become a 2. This 0 become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. From 2 we cannot subtract 5. So we will borrow from 4. It become a 12. This 4 become a 3. Yes. 12 minus 5 is 7. Simple. Now 3 minus 4 is also not possible. What we will do it? We will borrow from here. It become a 13 and this 5 become a 4. 13 minus 4, that is 9. Yes. Now 4 minus 0 is 4 and 7 minus 3 is 4. That is 44,973. 44,973. So this is the difference between the greatest number and smallest number which are formed by the given 5 digits here. So I hope you understand. Now here we go for the fourth solution. We go for the fourth solution. So look at what is the question. A bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. A bicycle industry, in the sense bicycle manufacturing factory will manufacture the cycles or bicycles. How many bicycles they will manufacture each one day? In one day 3,125 bicycles they will manufacture. That means they will make a new bicycles in each day 3,125. 3,125 bicycles they will manufacture in one day. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. In July month, how many bicycles they can manufacture? Very simple. As we know that in each day they will manufacture 3,125 bicycles. So in July month, how many bicycles they will manufacture? We must know that how many days will be present in the July month. We all of us know that in the July month there are 31 days. So each day they will manufacture 3125 bicycles into 31 days. In 31 days, how many bicycles they will manufacture? This is a multiplication, very simple. So the number of bicycles manufactured each day, we go for solution. The number of bicycles manufactured in each day or in one day equal to 3125. These many bicycles that makes in one day. The number of days in a July month, therefore the number of days in month of July equal to 31. Here why I kept it into, because we need to multiply this both, then only we will get complete number of bicycles manufactured in the July month. So as we don't know the 31 table, don't worry, you go for the 1 table, then after you go for 3 table. This is what you people used to do it. Okay, let us do it. 1 5 is a 5. Or with 1 you multiply any number, it gives a same number. So we write the same into, because ones place multiplication are completed, so we should not write any number in the ones place of digits. So we are not supposed to write in the ones place. So when we are starting with the tens place number, ones place and tens place, when we are starting a tens place number multiplication, we are supposed to write in the tens place digit only. 3 5 is a 15, 1 can. 3 2 is a 6 plus 1, 7. 3 1 is a 3, 3 3 is a 9. So as they have completed this, let us add it now. This completely we need to add it now. Let us add 5. Here 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 7 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, and this is 9. So in July month, how many bicycles will manufacture? Therefore, the number of bicycles manufactured, therefore you need to write, therefore the number of bicycles manufactured in July month, that is 96,875 or 96,875 bicycles will manufacture in the July month. So I hope you understand this one also. We go for fifth question. There are very simple word problems. These are very simple word problems. If you complete this, then we can go for the next chapter. Later in our next videos, we go for next chapter. A helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. One helicopter, you might be know what is helicopter. Helicopter will cover 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance it will cover in 4 hours? Express your answer in meters. Express your answer in meters. So helicopter, how many kilometers it covers in 1 hour? Helicopter will cover 600 kilometers in 1 hour. In 4 hours, how many kilometers it covers? Simple, 600 into 4. That is 2400. That means 2400 kilometers it covers. But kilometers should not write. We have to express our answer in the meters. So I will tell you that. So we must know the conversions. Before that, the distance covered by helicopter in 1 hour. The distance covered by helicopter in 1 hour. Helicopter in 1 hour equal to how much distance it covers? 600 kilometers. It covers the 600 kilometers in 1 hour. Therefore, let us write the distance covered by helicopter in 4 hours. The distance covered by helicopter in 4 hours. In 4 hours, how much distance it covers? Let us multiply this. So we will know that in 1 hour 600 kilometers. In 2 hours 600 plus 600 1200. In 3 hours 1200 plus 600 1800. In 4 hours 1800 plus 600 again. That is 2400. Around you multiply 4000, 4000, 46 are 24. That is 2400 kilometers it covers. But we must be express our answer in the meters. No? We must know that 1 kilometer equal to there are 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equal to how many meters? 1000 meter. If 1000 meters if you count, it equal to the 1 kilometer. So let us express our answer in the meters then. That is 2400. It is kilometers. So instead of kilometer, we need to be changed into the meters. So into 1 kilometer equal to how many? 1000 meters. So 1000 into meters. So let us multiply. Now, simple, all zeros are there. We write 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We put the 5 zeros. This is in the meters now. We express this is in the meters. Meters. So put the commas. Yes, in Indian system. What? 24 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 24 lakhs meters are not 2400 kilometers. This 2400 kilometers is equal to 24 lakhs meters. Because here 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. This is important to be remember. So the helicopter will cover 24 lakhs meters in or 4 hours. So this is what our fifth one. So let us go for sixth question now. Let's go for the sixth one. Sixth one. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size is 8 kg 400 grams. What is the weight of each packet? So in a box, there is a one box. There are 5 packets are there. 5 biscuit packets are there. What packets? 5 biscuit packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are these? There are 5 biscuit packets are there. The total weight of this, the total weight here 8 kg 400 grams. 8 kg 400 grams is the total weight of this box, and all these biscuit packets having same weight. They doesn't have a different weight. Every packet having same weight. So, what is the weight of each packet? What is the weight of each packet? To understand you, let us assume that for a time being, suppose the weight of these 5 biscuit packets is 10 kg. Suppose the total weight, suppose let us assume 10 kg. All these 5 biscuit packets having same weight. So, what is the weight of each packet? 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg, and 2 kg. It becomes 10 kgs. That means this 10 kgs they have to divide by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos. That means each packet weight is 2 kg. In this way we will know it. But see here, what is the total weight of 5 biscuit packets? That is 8 kg 400 grams. 8 kg 400 grams. Then what is the weight of each biscuit packet he asked. So that is what we need to write. Here the total weight of biscuit packets. Therefore the total weight of 5 biscuit, total weight of 5 biscuit packets 8 kg 400 grams. 8 kg 400 grams. So these kgs and grams completely will change into the grams first. So we must know that there is a 1 kg. If there is a 1 kg, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. As we know, when you go for normal shops nearby you, your home, when they put 1 kg but weight of a one mass, 1 kg weight of a one mass or 500 half kg weight of a mass, there you can see the grams, 1000. For 1 kg you can see the number on the mass, that is a 1000. On half kg but or not a mass, you can see 500 as a number. So you can go for that. So here 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So let us convert this completely. For 8 kgs there is a 8000 grams. For 1 kg 1000 grams. For 8 kgs 8000 grams plus this 400 grams. So 8400 grams. So the total weight of 5 biscuit packets is 8400 grams. So let us find out the therefore the weight of 1 biscuit packet. Therefore the weight of one biscuit packet equal to, what we need to do it? We have to divide 8400 by 5. 8400 grams by 5. Because there are 5 biscuit packets, we have to divide equally. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. How many left here? 3 left. That becomes 34 here. Yes. Then 5, 6 are 30 is possible. So how many left? 4 left. That becomes 40 here. 5 8s are 40 and 0. That means here 1680 grams. Here 1000 grams plus 680 grams. For 1000 grams we can say 1 kg. That means here 1 kg 680 grams. This is the weight of each one biscuit packet. One biscuit packet weight is 1 kg 680 grams. If you don't know these calculations, cancelizations, you can also go for the divisions. Divisions you know very well. 5 ones are 5. How many left? 3 left. We'll bring down this 4 here. 5 6 are 30. How many left? 4 left now. So let us bring down one more 0 here. 5 8s are 40. 0. Again one more 0 is here. That we can take here. 5 zeros are 0. Hence it is completed that 1680. If you don't know the cancellations, you can go for the long division method. Okay, but better to be learned in that method, because in the further classes we'll be learning only cancellations. We don't have much time to, we don't get much time to do the divisions. Divisions is time consuming process. So we go for the 7th one. What is the 7th one? The distance. The 7th question is the distance between the school and the bus stop is, the distance between the school and the bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. Find the total distance she walked in the 6 days. So here see that the distance between the school and bus stop. There is a school and bus stop. School here and here there is a bus stop. School and bus stop. To school to bus stop, the distance between the school to bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. So the distance from the school to bus stop 1 kilometer 875 meters. Here there is a Gayatri walks. See, Gayatri is a girl. Every day Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. Both the ways to attend the school. Find the distance covered in the 6 days. So, Gayatri walks both the ways. She will go to the school. From bus stand to she will go to the school. Again she will come back. She will come back to bus stand to go home. So, she walks both the ways every day. So, she walks 1 kilometer 875 meters to come to school, and also she walks 1 kilometer 875 meters to go to bus stand again. She walks both the ways. So here the distance between, let us write here, the distance between school to bus stand bus stop is 1 kilometer 875 meters. 1 kilometer 875 meters. So Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. So here he mentioned the Gayatri walks both the ways to attend the school. So the total distance covered in one day, that means once she will come from the bus stand to school and school to bus stand, bus stop again. So she walks both the times, 1 kilometer 875 plus 1 kilometer 875. So the distance covered by Gayatri in one day, the distance covered by Gayatri in one day is equal to, in one day how much distance she will cover? 1 kilometer 875 meters plus 1 kilometer 875 meters. Let us add this 1 kilometer 875 meters and 1 kilometer 875 meters. Let us add meters and meters. We will add it. 5 plus 5 0, 1 carry. 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry. So here 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 17, here 1 carry. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So 3 kilometer 750 meters. So the Gayatri covers 3 kilometers 750 meters in one day. She will cover only 3 kilometers 750 meters in one day. How? To come from the bus stop to school 1 kilometer 875 meters. Again she have to go back to bus stand from the school to bus stand. Again she walks 1 kilometer 875 meters to bus stop. The total distance covered by Gayatri in one day, that is 3 kilometer 750 meters. So now we have to write, therefore the total distance covered by Gayatri in 6 days. That is what he asked. In 6 days, how much distance will go? Simple. 3 kilometers 750 meters. 3 kilometers 750 meters into 6 in 6 days. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 6 7s are 42 plus 3 45, 4 carry, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 4 22. Simple. 22 kilometers 500 meters. This is the distance covered by Gayatri in 6 days. Gayatri covers in 6 days 22 kilometers 500 meters. So let's go for final problems like 8th one and 9th one. Only 2 problems are left. There are 2 problems. Let us finish here so that we can complete. So I'll give you a task here now. 8th solution. The cloth required to make A shirt of school uniform for each boy is 1 meter 80 centimeters. How many shirts can a trailer stitch using 40 meters of cloth? How much cloth will be left over? So simple here, very simple. To make one shirt, it takes 1 meter 80 centimeters of cloth. They have completely 40 meters of cloth is there. Completely 40 meters. This is 40 meters of a cloth is there. To make a one shirt, it takes 1 meter 80 centimeter. 1 meter of 80 centimeters cloth it takes to stitch a one school uniform. To stitch one school uniform, that to shirt. So how many shirts can be stitched in 40 meters of cloth? How many shirts can be stitched in the 40 meters of cloth? Simple that. So here this 40 meters and 1 meter 80 centimeters completely you convert into the meters. 40 meters by 180. You do it. Write the word forms you do it completely. How I wrote before, the total distance covered, and as a word problem, what is given, that word problem you write completely here. So here, as we know that we'll change this here. As you know, 1 meter equal to, another I will write, yes, the cloth required for one shirt, therefore cloth required for one shirt, to make one shirt, equal to, the cloth required to make a one shirt equal to, how much cloth is required? 1 meter 80 centimeter. It's nothing but for 1 meter. For 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. This also you need to be remembered. This is the conversion. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So here 1 meter and 80 centimeters. Completely 180 centimeters. 180 centimeters of cloth is required to make a one shirt. So here the total length of cloth, therefore the total length of cloth is equal to 40 meters. The 40 meters, let us convert it to the meters, centimeters. We know that 40 into 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. That equal to 4000 centimeters. 4000 centimeters of cloth is there. So here, how many shirts we can stitch? How many shirts we can stitch? Let us see the number of shirts can be stitched equal to 4000 centimeters cloth by 180 centimeters of cloth. Total 4000 centimeters length of cloth is there. To stitch one shirt, it takes 180 centimeters of cloth. So let us divide the both. We get centimeter get cancelled. 10 get cancelled. So in 2 table we will cancel. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4 and 1 0 1 0. This both are get cancelled. Now let us again we divide it. You know the division now. Let's go for the division. 209. 9 2s are 18. We get 2 here. 20 minus 18 is 2. Let us bring down 0 again. Okay? 9 2s are again 18. We get 2. We can put the point and 0. Again 2. We get the 18. Again it continues like that. So number of shirts can be stitched, that equal to how many shirts can be stitched here? 22.222. It comes like that. But 22 shirts. 22 shirts can be stitched. 22 complete shirts can be stitched to in overall 40 meters of cloth. In 40 meters of cloth, only 22 shirts can be stitched. How much cloth is left again then? How much cloth will be left over after stitching 22 complete shirts? Some cloth will be left over. That how much cloth is left over, that we need to find out here. So how many shirts can be stitched here? Only 22 shirts can be stitched overall in 4000 centimeters of cloth. So each cloth will cover only 180 centimeters. Simple. This 180 into 22 you take it, so that here 100 centimeters cloth for one cloth into overall 22 cloths, that means 22 shirts are stitched. So complete the cloth is taken by the complete cloth used to stitch 22 shirts. That will write here, or not will go for this. The complete or not the cloth used to stitch 22 shirts equal to 22 shirts into 180 centimeters for each shirts. That equal to, you will get here 180 into 22. 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Again same you get here, that is 0, 6, 9, 3. So the complete cloth is used. How much cloth is used to stitch the 22 cloth? 3960 centimeters are cloth is used to stitch 22 shirts. Then how much cloth is there? Completely there we have 4000 centimeters of cloth. From that how much we used? 3960 centimeters of cloth we used to stitch 22 shirts. Simple. How much cloth is left? Therefore the cloth left equal to, total we have 4000 centimeters of cloth. From that we use 3960 centimeters of cloth. So only 40 centimeters of cloth is left over. Only 40 centimeters of cloth is left. Simple. To stitch 22 shirts we use 3900 centimeters of cloth. Completely we have 4000 centimeters of cloth. We have 4000 centimeters of cloth. From that we use 3960 centimeters of cloth. So how much is left? Only 40 centimeters cloth is left. How you got this 3900 centimeters of cloth? Simple. One cloth will take hours only to make a one shirt, or one shirt will take 180 centimeters. How many? One shirt, to make a one shirt will take 180 centimeters of cloth. How many shirts are there? 22. 22 into the cloth covers to make a one shirt is 180 centimeters. 180 into 22, we get that 3960. That we need to subtract from the total length of cloth, that is 4000 centimeters. As we got there, 40 centimeters of cloth only will left after stitching 22 school uniform shirts. So the last one of this exercise, with this our exercise will get complete. Let's see that the cost of petrol is rupees 60 per liter. A petrol bank sells 750 liters of petrol on a day. How much money do they get at the end of the day? Simple. The cost of one petrol is 1 liter of petrol. The cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 60. A petrol bunks, we can see the petrol bunks on the roads or on the highways. So a petrol bunk sells 750 liters in one day. So that how much money they will get at end of the day? Simple. Here the total number of, here let us write that a bunk sells the total number of liters. Therefore total number of liters liters of petrol equal to 750 liters of petrol they sold. The cost of 1 liter petrol, the cost of 1 liter of petrol equal to rupees 60. Okay, the total number of liters of petrol they sold in one day. The total number of total number of liters of petrol they sold in one day, that is 750. Then 750 liters of petrol they sold. So what is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? That is 60 rupees. So the total amount they get. So how much money do they get? Therefore the total amount at end of the day they get equal to how much amount they get at end of the day is simple. That is 750 into rupees 60. Let us do is that here 750 into 60. 0 5 is 0, 0 7 is 0, then 6 0 is 0, 6 5 is 33 carry, 6 7 is 42 plus 3, that is 45. 0 0 0 5 4, that is rupees 45,000 of rupees they will get at end of the day if they sell 750 liters of petrol. If the cost of petrol is 60 rupees per liter, if the cost of petrol is 60 rupees per liter, if they sell 750 liters of petrol in a day, at the end of the day they will be having in their packet 45,000 rupees. Okay, I hope you understand this exercise number 1.4 and 1.5. So this 1.5 completely on the arithmetical operations to place, minus, into, division, that means additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. So you practice so that you can get understand. So we'll continue with the next video with the next fresh chapter. Till that time, keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye. Have a nice day.